We are the Bozos. It's Robert Carpenter behind the camera, and this is Grant McNeely here. Alright, we found a junk microwave right over there by the dumpster, and we saw on YouTube that things can explode and melt in the microwave. We got a whole bunch of bag of goodies here to try out in the microwave. And we're going to try those out, and I got pennies first. Yeah, pennies first. We're going to try it out and see what happens. Got a handful of pennies. I'm going to try it out. Alright, here. You gotta lift it up. There you go. Put it in for like 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. I think they have to be touching, don't they? I don't know. Smoke in there, looks like, and nothing interesting, nothing at all. Nothing. Alright, screw the pennies. Let's try something different. Light bulb? Yeah, let's try the burnout light bulb first. Alright, take the pennies out though. That's good. Okay. There's a bug in there now. Oh, dude! That's good. Okay. Did the light bulb just break? No. Okay. Oh, there it goes! Dude! Dude! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Alright, open it, open it. Open it. It's awesome! Did you get that on camera? Yeah, I got that on camera. How about this little mini light bulb in there? Yeah, try the mini light bulb. Man. Okay. Got it. Oh, shit. Oh, is it gonna explode? Will it explode? We'll find out. I don't think it's gonna explode. We say that until boom. Yeah. Oh, it's flickering. Yeah. It's gonna go any minute now. It's gonna explode. It's gonna go any minute. Oh, it's about to. There it goes. It's gonna go any minute now. Right about now. Come on, come on, come on. Bam! Come on. Yeah, it didn't explode. Alright. Fork. Dude, you wanna try the fork? Okay. Because it goes poop. Hopefully. Alright, set it in the center though. Alright. Let's try it. Yeah, nothing. Wives' tails, look at this. Yeah. Oh. Still flashing. Let's try the egg. Alright, egg next. What happens to the egg? It should explode anytime now. I think it might take a while. You know what we should do? What? Come on, egg. Oh, there goes the egg. Alright. Fucking egg. Oh, it kind of cracked. Yeah. Kinda. Careful, there's really glass in there. There's glass in there. Lighter? No, not yet, not yet. Yes, yeah. No, because it goes bang and it might wake somebody up. We're going all out. Yeah, like that. Alright. Everything together now. Come on, lighter. Dude, we have like every possible thing in there. Yeah. Dude, if the lighter explodes and the door comes flying off, we're probably gonna be dead. Oh! Fuck. Is that the lighter? Yeah, it's I smell it. Oh my gosh, what the heck was that? I have no clue. It stinks, dude. Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, the light bulb is flickering. It is? Yeah, the light bulb in the corner is on. Dude, that freaking stinks. Oh shit. Oh, fuck, dude, it's the sprinkler. It's the sprinklers. It's the sprinklers, yeah. Look at that. Oh, shit. The sprinklers are going on. Oh, dude, look at the sprinklers. Oh, that's awesome. Unplug it, dude. Unplug it. It's smoking. Shit. Dude, the sparklers are going off. That's awesome. Oh shit! That was fucking awesome. Is that the lighter?
Open it up, flip it over on the back.
Dude, look at the egg.
The egg's boiled. Flip over on the back. The lighter.
Dude, look at it.
Oh my gosh. The egg exploded.
Yeah.
The lighter, I think the lighter did too. I didn't even see the lighter.
I don't either.
I think that's what that big boom was.
Yeah. We're the Bozos, and we just made crap explode.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try it at home.
I hope we got that big explosion on there.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, later.
See you later.